Some more beer.
Alright. Alright, make sure the grass gets cut when I get back.
Okay.
Okay. It's recording. Thor versus tree.
What did I hit?
You hit my porch. Yeah.
Hold up. Okay. Fuck that tree.
Fuck the tree. Yeet. That's how it's done.
Peace. What about these?
Yeah, tear it all down if you want. Whatever you do, do not release that sword, because that thing's going to go straight into my gut.
We're good.
How did Brandon die? He took a sword to the gut. How? Oh, this dude was just chopping down some trees with a sword. Moon pies. Everybody loves some moon pies. Go grab a couple. So hopefully he enjoys these. Dude! I thought I told you to
You thugging out on Thor. I'll kill your ass.
hammer toss.
She's wiping her ass on your script.
Yuki!
It's the white, is the big one.
Chamosuke?
White and orange and gray.
Chamosuke. Oh my god.
He's like,
The fuck you doing, cat?
you go to town. Girl.
Get down! Anyways, cameraman.
Is my voice different? I mean, is it
Oh, that sounds good. You got that.
raspy?
Raspy.
Got that dick.
Gonna be in the B films. Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Wait, why are we filming this? Why are you guys following us around? I don't understand.
Because Brandon said that we could.
Fuck that guy.
Really? Well, we're giving him $14 million to do it.
Alright, so we got that. I think.
Oh, wait.
Does it feel like we got that one
I
down?
love that guy.
I love that guy. Yeah, come here, Brad. I'm impressed. Alright.